Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Let's talk about the PSUs which are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. As some of them already released their detailed notification or short notification, let's check it out the details here. So let's talk about the power grid. First of all, you can see the detailed advertisement is available on our YouTube channel for all these notification. Okay, so power grid is going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2025 scorecard. You can get a job of engineer trainee here on the basis of GATE scorecard plus BE Tech with minimum 60% marks with the upper age limit of 28 year. If you are having the branch EE, EC, Civil or CS, you can get a job here with the pay scale of 21.40 lakh per annum, which is surely a huge amount, dear students. Second one is GAIL India. In GAIL also you can recruit, or they will recruit you on the basis of GATE 25 scorecard. So you can get a job of engineer trainee or executive trainee with the GATE scorecard plus BE Tech with minimum 65% marks, but upper age limit is here 26 year. Branches chemical, civil, EE, EC, IN, mechanical, CS students are eligible here with the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000 plus allowances. All the allowances will be available for you. Dearance allowances, DA, HRA, perks, all will be available other than this. Okay. The next PSU available for you is Coal India Limited. They also released their latest notification. In that one, you can see upper age limit is 30 years. This is very good thing, and you can get a job of management trainee on the basis of GATE 25 scorecard with minimum 60% marks in your BE Tech, and the pay scale you will get here will be 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month plus allowances. Okay, the branches mechanical, civil, EC, EE, CS and mining students are eligible here. The next is Grid India. They also released their notification. You can see all the updates are available on our YouTube channel. Only you can check it out. So this Grid India, you can get a post of the job of executive trainee here on the basis of GATE scorecard plus BE Tech minimum 60% marks is required. Upper age limit is 28 years, but they released their notification for GATE 25 only for EE branch with the pay scale of 50,000 to 1,60,000 per month. Okay, next is NLC India Limited. Here they will recruit on the basis of GATE 25 scorecard plus BE Tech minimum 60% marks. Pay scale is 50,000 to 1,60,000 per month. Upper age limit is 30 year. In Coal India and in NLC, upper age limit is 30 year, dear students. So branches EE, Civil, CS, Mining and Mechanical are available. You can get a job of graduate engineer trainee here. Next is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. BE Tech minimum 60% marks is required. They will give you 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month on the basis of GATE 25 scorecard with the upper age limit 27 year. Civil, EE, EC, IN, mechanical, CS, IT and mining students are eligible for this one. The post will be EET, Engineering Executive Trainee. Okay. If I will talk about NPCIL, so BE Tech minimum 65% marks is available here with the pay scale of 56,100. Age limit will be 26 year. Mechanical, civil, EE, EC, chemical and IN students are eligible for the post of executive trainee. Okay, so these PSUs, as few of them already released their detailed notification and few released their short notification. So you should not worry, more will be there for you. These are the only few of them. Okay, more will be there for you up to the GATE 25 exam or after the GATE 25 exam. So you need to do work hard for the upcoming GATE 25 exam for getting a good job in the PSUs. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.